Hi everyone, welcome back to Laqwanda's Heart. And in my last video, when I was doing my wash and go, Sharon, I believe that's her name, she had asked me to show what she said that she would like to see what my hair looks like on day 2 and day 3. So this is day 3, and so I'm just going to show you guys also how I maintain my hair. So I sleep with a bonnet, and since it's cold, I also sleep with a beanie on top of it, because you know it is what it is. I have not given myself a fresh cut because my hair is long enough to cover my sides. So but what I do at night is I put my hair now in 3 large braids. And the reason why I use 3 is because I noticed that if I use a smaller amount, then my hair tries to do like a braid out. And as I said in my last video, I want to avoid that. So this is how I basically maintain my hair for, I think it's over a week, closer to 2 weeks. So I'm just going to, my mirror is right here, so I'm going to look in the mirror, take my braids out. If at this point, if I feel like my hair is dry, I would add some moisturizer and seal it with some castor oil. And so now I'm just going to fluff my hair out with my hands. And I'm really careful that I'm not like separating curls, because if I do that, my hair is going to get really frizzy, and I don't want that to happen. And so I usually just pull this back, and if I want some elevation, I'm just gonna go in the roots with my pick. And I'm just doing all this in real time, so it should be a pretty short video. And again, as always, as I'm going to say in every video, because I appreciate it, thank you for everyone who's following Healing Black Women on Instagram for daily inspirational videos, inspirational and motivational videos. We have 7 dynamic women, including myself, who come with the heat every single day and really focus on wellness in all aspects of areas for Black women. And so this is it, you guys. It's nothing major, but this is generally how I keep my wash and go. For the longest I kept it has been for 2 weeks. So 1.5 to 2 weeks. This is a process that I use to keep it going. And again, you see the curls have stretched out. I still have some really light definition, which I love. This is when I start to get that diffuser look that I like. So this is it. So if you have any other questions below, or if there's anything else that you would like to see, just leave it in the comments section. I will be sure to respond to you and shout you out in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.